Hi everyone, this is Nicole. My daughter and I suffer from seasonal allergies. In the past, allergies were something that prevented us from doing things outside. But if you know me and how active my family is, that wasn't something we could continue doing. So we teamed up with Honeywell Air Purifiers to come up with a few tips and tricks to make living with allergies a lot more manageable inside the home, so we can stay active as ever as a family. The first thing we do when we come home is take off our shoes. We created an area here to take off our shoes and store them neatly. Living in New York City, taking your shoes off certainly helps keep our home cleaner, but it also helps cut down on tracking allergens throughout my apartment. Then we head to the bathroom as part of our routine to wash our hands. It helps keep germs away, but it also helps control the allergens that we might have collected outside. After we finish up washing hands, it's time to change into our cozy clothes that are worn indoors. So I like to set these out for my daughter to remind her to do that quick change. And we've also slipped off of our shoes, and it's time to put some cozy shoes on as well. So we have slippers that are really easy to wash. And speaking of keeping things clean, when it comes to keeping our home clean, we do love hardwood floors, but cozy touches like this rug are super nice. So we have these professionally cleaned 2 times a year, and we try to vacuum almost daily with a HEPA filter vacuum. Our pediatrician has recommended air purifiers in the past, but they've always been so noisy. So we're really excited to team up with Honeywell Air Purifiers to test out their HEPA air purifiers. They are super quiet. In fact, we have ours running 24/7. We love the subtle white noise that they give off. Let's see if you can even notice it. Take a closer look. While we're up close, let me show you the easy-to-use LED controls. You pick the cleaning levels that you need in your home: germ, general clean, or allergen. For busy parents, there's also a reminder to check the filters. We've all got so many things going on, it's really helpful to have these helping you out. The HEPA filters effectively capture grass, tree pollen, dust, smoke, pet fur, and more. That is a lot of allergens. Having Honeywell air purifiers in our living room and bedrooms definitely give me peace of mind. I love how the Honeywell HEPA air purifiers blend seamlessly into our home, because let's face it, design matters a lot to me. But they're also working super hard, and you can barely even hear them doing their job. They capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne particles that pass through the filters. And they're so small that you can't even see them with the human eye. As you can see, nothing stops us, not even allergies, from living our active lifestyle. We hope you found our tips helpful, and I'd love to hear how you keep seasonal allergies at bay in your home. For more information, please visit honeywellpluggedin.com. For more Momtrends tips, be sure to subscribe to the Momtrends YouTube channel so you don't miss a single thing.